Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use a Samsung washing machine. Firstly, press the power button to turn on the washing machine. Then turn the cycle selector knob to choose your preferred machine washing cycle, like cotton, quick wash, delicates, etc. You can customize the cycle using the temp, rinse, and spin settings. Temp is controlling the water temperature, rinse adjusts how many rinse cycles you want, and spin controls how fast your clothes are spun at the end of the cycle. Now press the options button to add extra functions and use the button again to scroll through and select your preferred option. Your washing machine may have extra buttons such as bubble soak for deep cleaning, delay end to schedule, and easy iron to reduce wrinkles. Simply press the corresponding button to activate one. Now press start or pause to begin washing, and if you want to switch to a different cycle while the machine is running, press start or pause to stop the operation. Turn the cycle selector to choose a new cycle, then press start or pause again to begin with a new cycle. The layout and design for the control panel may vary depending on your washing machine model. Always check your model's user manual for specific details. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.